Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Grid for Artist app. First, open the app and select New Project to begin. Then, choose an image from your device's gallery to import as your reference photo. Once imported, you can easily adjust the grid's density and line thickness to match your canvas. This initial setup is crucial for precise scaling and proportion, ensuring your artwork starts on the right foot. Now, let's customize your grid. You can specify the exact number of rows and columns to create a grid that perfectly suits your canvas dimensions. Use the zoom and pan functions to focus on intricate details of your reference image. Once satisfied with the placement, remember to lock the grid. This prevents any accidental shifts, keeping your proportions consistent throughout the drawing process. With your grid set, it's time to start drawing. The grid method simplifies complex images by breaking them into manageable squares. Focus on transferring the content of one grid cell from your screen to the corresponding square on your canvas. This systematic approach helps maintain accurate proportions and details across your entire artwork. Take your time and trust the process for the best results. Beyond basic gridding, this app offers advanced features like a color picker to sample hues directly from your reference and measurement tools for precise scaling. Remember to save your project regularly to avoid losing your progress. This ensures you can pick up exactly where you left off. Also, for those looking to enhance their creative environment, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.